Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel tutorial. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel tutorial race. So in this video today I'm going to teach you how you can make a animated video in Canva. Step by step I'm going to show you. So without any time waste, let's go to laptop screen and let's create an animated video. So I am in laptop screen right now. So we have to open Canva over here, canva.com. So now you have to select create over here, and after that you have to select videos over there. Okay, so you will get an option video landscape. You have to click on this, and after that you can see a option elements. You have to click on this, and over here you have to search urban street, or else you can search only street also. Okay, so there's option graphic. You have to click on this, and you can see there's a lot of urban street graphic pictures which you can use, okay, for your animation video. For an example, I am using this one. Okay, so this picture you have to cover in this whole background, means you have to fix this image in whole background. How you can fix? You have to do like this. You have to drag like this, and you have to fill this up like this. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to add one more, like add page over here. We have to click. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to select or find any other which we want. Let's find out. We can use this one. Okay, we have to fix this image in a whole like this. We have to select like this. Okay, we have to fill this one. After that, in between these two page we have an option add transition. You have to click on this, and whatever you want from here you can select. Like for an example, dissolve, slide, circle wipe, color wipe, line wipe, and there are many other options. Whatever you want you can choose. Like for an example, you can see this all. Okay, as like this you can use very easily. Okay, for an example I am going to use this one or else this one, because it will look a little smooth. So I am going to choose this one for now. Okay, and speed will be 1.15. okay, like duration will be 1.15. so now I am going to search walking, this one. Okay, smiling folder, walking with bulb in hand. You have to select on this, and after that you can see there are many type of graphic over here. Okay, so I am going to choose this one. Okay, so we have to flip from here, and we have to resize this one so that it can suit in this image. Okay, we are going to put these over here. And how to animate this, like how we can move this character from left side to right side, we have to click on animate. After that there's an option create an animation. Okay, you have to click on this, and there's option if you are going to directly swipe this to right side, left to right side from mouse with your mouse, then as like for an example I am going to drag this one. Okay, see, the line is not going straight, like it is going up and down, okay. But if we are going to do with pressing shift, then what will be the result? If we are going to press shift, and now if we are going to drag, then what will be the output? It will go straight, okay. And from over here we have to decrease the speed, and we have to choose steady over here, okay, so that it can walk smoothly from here. And in second part, now it is moving from here to there, okay. In second part we will choose the same character and a little small, flip this one also, and from here we will start animate. From here drag this one, shift and drag till here, and decrease the speed and choose steady, okay, so that it can look like it is walking from here to there, okay. For an example like this, okay. I hope you all have understand how to create animated video. So if you like this video, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our videos. And see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.